Hi, I'm Lori Clemo, president of D'Youville College. I would like to welcome you to D'Youville and invite you to explore everything we have to offer. D'Youville has been welcoming and educating students from around the world for over 100 years. We look forward to you joining our community of over 3,000 students located here in Buffalo, New York. D'Youville has a remarkable history as a progressive academic leader in business, teacher education, and healthcare. We are now embarking on a major expansive initiative to offer these programs to students around the globe, including India, through partnerships like the one with JBCN.
The partnership between D'Youville and JBCN gives us the unique opportunity to work with teachers in India, and the Education Department faculty looks forward to sharing our experience and expertise with Indian teachers. This program will set the benchmark for quality professional education among international teachers. Students will interact with professors online and face-to-face. We know this will be an engaging learning experience for all. The D'Youville Education Department prides itself on offering courses that contain the essential knowledge and skills that teachers need. Our students will grow as teachers and set themselves apart as competent and caring professionals.
We are committed to providing you with an exceptional experience in every way. I encourage you to discover what D'Youville has to offer.